I just picked up the GoPro 9 and I'm going to show you how to stream directly to Twitch through the GoPro 9 using the GoPro app. This is a perfect video for anybody out there that wants to start doing mobile streams and take their content on the go. Let's get started. Hey, what is up all you streamers and content creators? Wild for Games here to make sure your live streams and content creations become bigger and better. I'm going to show you right now how to get your content on Twitch through a GoPro 9. It's really easy. Let me go over to the computer and show you how you set it up within moments. Before you start streaming to platforms like Twitch, we first need to download the GoPro app and also make sure that it's up to date, and also make sure we update the firmware and software within our GoPro 9. Once everything's downloaded and updated, you have to make sure your GoPro app can discover your brand new GoPro 9. So make sure you walk through the onboard process and set it up. When everything has been set up and you open your GoPro app again for the first time, go down to the bottom left-hand corner and go to Control Your GoPro. This will take a few moments to connect, so give it a little bit of time. Once it has connected, click Enable Preview in the middle. Again, depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments, so just let it do what it needs to do. When everything loads up here, all we need to do at the bottom is scroll over to Live. Click on Setup Live, and here we get to pick what platform we want to go to. At the moment, you can stream directly to GoPro.com, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or an RTMP. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to concentrate on Twitch. Always got to give it a few moments. If this is your first time connecting to Twitch through the GoPro app, you will have to go through an authorization process to make sure that the account that you're logging into is yours. So make sure you do that. Once everything has been approved, the next page you will see is the Stream to Twitch page, where you have to select your Wi-Fi network. Simply select the Wi-Fi network that you have the best connection to. Next, you can give your stream a title and description. Then you just select what resolution you want to stream at. At the moment, you can do 1080p, 720p, or 480p. Please note, for 1080p, it is recommended that you have a Wi-Fi connection. You can also save your stream to the SD card if you want to, which is always a good move, just in case you want to edit your stream later for things that you want to post on Twitter or Instagram or whatever social media you want. And after that, click Setup Live Stream. The next page you're going to have is the Go Live screen, where you can share out your stream by copying a link if you want to post it to other social medias. But when you're ready to go, simply click Go Live. On the pages you see here, you'll see your stream health, where it shows you the kilobit rate of what you're currently streaming at and how it's trying to maintain its signal strength of what it needs to push up at. Below that, you can see your View Your Stream. This will take you to your Twitch channel where you can see chat. This way, you'll be able to read chat to engage and interact with your viewers. Let me show you how the stream looks from viewing it on Twitch's website. Using the GoPro 9 and using the GoPro app to stream to Twitch is really easy. The major downside is I do notice dips in the kilobit rate, which can introduce a mosaic or laggy looking stream, or sometimes what looks like frame drops. And I noticed the further I got away from my phone, the more that occurred. So make sure you have your phone that's using the app and the GoPro 9 close to each other, and it seems to work a lot better. Also, the less movement, it's easier for it to push out the kilobit rate to be higher, but this is a stepping stone. I feel like the software can get better, but at least live streaming from the GoPro 9 to Twitch using the GoPro app is straightforward and easy to do. Now, you do need to make sure you have very strong internet, because if it dips below a certain kilobit rate, you're going to notice your stream gets very mosaic-y, it's going to get very laggy, and it's going to look like it's dropping frames a lot, which you'll see within the GoPro app when it dips below 3,000 or 2,000 or anything like that, which leads us into you need a strong internet connection if you plan on doing anything 1080p. So make sure you have strong internet before you go live, otherwise your broadcast is going to look kind of crappy. I also noticed that you saw a lot more frame drop, lag, mosaicing, kind of crappy looking stream when I got my GoPro more away from my phone. I don't know if there's a Bluetooth connection of how it needs to do a sync or anything like that to make sure it broadcasts correctly, but I noticed the closer I had my phone and the GoPro, the better my stream was. So make sure you remember that as you go forward. Using the GoPro 9 is a pretty awesome way to do mobile content creation. on the go. It's not my favorite. It does have some limitations. The benchmarking of the GoPro 9 says you get about 2 hours at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Now, I've only had a little bit of time to benchmark it, but in a few of my tests, it's more around an hour to an hour and a half. So please remember that. The biggest question everybody's gonna ask is the GoPro 9 worth it for mobile streaming? Well, it really depends on what type of content you plan on providing. I use my phone all the time to do mobile streams, but when I have to do something that's a little more active like snowboard or mountain bike, I don't feel too confident putting my mobile phone on my head or on my handlebars or on my chest. I feel like it's gonna break and fall, and my phone is pretty much my life now. But having GoPro and GoPro mounts and stream directly from this is awesome, provided you have a stable internet connection. You can do some pretty cool stuff with this, and if that's you, this is an awesome tool. Now, there's actually a lot more capabilities using a GoPro 9 when you want to stream to platforms like Twitch, YouTube gaming, and Facebook gaming, which I'm going to show you in one of my upcoming videos because it's actually pretty cool, some of the things you can do using it as a certain capture device, which I'll show you in the next video. So make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. And until next time, Wild for Games here, making sure your content becomes bigger and better. And as always, take care, and of course, peace.